Wow. Look at how delicious this is. We're in Karakol, where it's famous for making аш-лянфу. This is literally the dish of the city. People come from all over the world to eat аш-лянфу here. I've lived here in Kyrgyzstan for a year and a half, waiting to come to Karakol to have аш-лянфу.
This is also my first time ever trying аш-лянфу. I am so excited to try this.
Вот это попробуй.
Это лазаджи, да? Да.
This is delicious. Очень вкусный. Спасибо большое.
Divine.
Delicious?
Amazing.
So good.
My fellow Americans, it's worth the trip. I know it's on the other side of the world, but you gotta come have some аш-лянфу. Yes!